Welcome to this video lesson on understanding the numericals from the chapter of some basic concepts of chemistry. Now, let us look into this numerical. Calculate the mass of sodium acetate. What's the formula of sodium acetate given to us? CH3COONA. Required to make 500 ml of 0.375 molar aqueous solution. Molar mass of sodium acetate is 82.045 gram per mole. So, what is that we are supposed to calculate? Mass of sodium acetate that is actually required for us to prepare 500 ml of 0.375 molar aqueous solution, wherein the molecular mass of sodium acetate is found to be 82.045 gram for 1 mole. Now, first let us write the relationship formula. Molarity is given to us, mass is being asked, volume is given. So, relating all of that, this is the formula to be used. Molarity is equal to W. W means given mass divided by molecular mass into 1000 by V. V means volume. Now, first let us write down all the data that is given to us in this problem. Do we know the mass? No. We are supposed to find out what it is. So, we do not know mass. That is W. But we know the molecular mass, which is given in grams. This is what we call it as gram molecular mass. GMM is the short form of gram molecular mass. What is gram molecular mass? If molecular mass is expressed in grams, then we call it as gram molecular mass, and that value is given to us as 82.045. Then volume is also given to us. What is the volume? 500 ml. And a molar aqueous solution is the molarity that is given to us. The value given is 0.375. So, we have written what are all the things given as per the problem. First thing in solving the numericals is this only, dear students. First, you write down all the data that is being given. Then, write the formula that relates all of these data. Then, it is easy for you to find out to solve the problem. Now, let me write all the values as per this formula. We know molarity, that is what is 0.375. We do not know W, so I am writing it as W. The molecular mass is given to us 82.045. That's what is written. Writing it as this formula into 1000 divided by volume, that is 500 ml. So now let us solve for W. Therefore, W will be equal to, now all of this will become the numerator, 1000 will become the denominator. So W will be equal to 0.375 into 82.045 into 500 divided by 1000. So, when we multiply all of this value, we get the value as 15383.437. You can just do this calculation using your calculator and find out, you will arrive at the same answer, divided by 1000. So, it is 1000. So, it is easy for us to divide this, because just if we shift the decimal place by 3 digits, it's going to help us in solving. So, we have shifted the 3 decimals from 3 places from here to here. So, therefore, the value will be 15.38 grams. So, what is the value of W that we have found out? W is 15.38 grams. So, it is always advisable to solve the numericals first writing the given data, if the problem is word type, like proceeding like this in lengthy fashion.